GyroPalm Studio is an extraordinary cloud platform that allows developers and professionals to easily create advanced gesture control wearable experiences in record time. Not only that, but it's one of the fastest ways to deploy your wearable experience to hundreds of dedicated devices for your workplace. My name is Dominic Lee, and today we're going to walk you through how to import existing images and icons into your project within less than a couple minutes. So first, to do that, we're going to start a new project in GyroPalm Studio, and as you can see, we're actually taking the icons in PNG format and uploading them via the Resources tab. Here you'll see another icon called Convert to Icon, and here you'll specify different settings. In this case, we're choosing the true color with alpha. We could also resize these icons to 64 pixels, and now as you could see, we have the code automatically generated to show these icons. So right now we have one icon in the list. As you can see, we have the LV image declare as we use the LVGL environment. Now we go back and click on the Resources tab to convert the remaining icons. Again, we will go in there and click 64 pixels. And as you can see, the icon has been converted successfully. So now you could see that the code automatically gets appended by the platform. Here we have the second GyroPalm icon. Now we're going back to the resources and we're going to click on the Actions tab. And again, we are going to type in 64 pixels to scale the icon as needed. Going back to the code, and as you can see, the third row has been created. Now all we have to do is to edit the positioning of the icons and compile and upload to the wearable. So now we're going to compile, and this is going to take a couple minutes. With that being said, prepare your wearable and plug in the USB port to the micro USB side of the wearable. And once the compilation has been completed, you will see that we can flash the firmware using the GyroPalm Jumpstarter tool. Right now the wearable is still blank as we don't have a firmware in it. To download, we click the Flash Device button, and would be prompted whether we want to flash this. We click yes, and as you can see, now we are flashing the wearable. Alright, flash complete. As you can see, that's how easy it is. That's all there is to it. Creating icons for your project in the GyroPalm Studio platform.